Hi, I was just watching a video on how baby seahorses were born. I want to welcome you back to another Fireside Chat here at Jim Wernick Chevrolet. Today we'd like to talk about a topic that may normally be avoided and uncomfortable for some people to discuss. I know what you're thinking, and no, that's not it. We're going to discuss bad credit. Now this is a big topic, so there will probably be more videos about this in the future. In today's busy world, it is difficult to go about life without a vehicle, and we all know poor credit can affect the car buying process. We understand that every situation is different, and just a small amount of time your credit can take a dip. Whatever the case may be, we do our best to help get you a vehicle that you need to get you where you need to go. GM does have subprime offers available to help customers get into brand new vehicles covered by full factory warranties at a much better interest rate than a buy here, pay here place. Right now, March of 2020, GM is offering 9.9% interest rate for up to 72 months on select vehicles. That is far better than the 16 to 24% interest rate other banks offer. Sometimes we'll see customers who have their heart set on a specific pre-owned vehicle that just isn't a fit for their financial situation. There are times when the bank might not approve a certain deal because the vehicle doesn't meet their requirements. This is where we step in and help you find a vehicle that meets the bank's requirements and can get you back on the road and back to your daily routine. Granted, we can't always get everyone approved no matter how hard we try, but we really do try. Some ways to help increase your credit can include limiting the amount of hard hits on your credit, which can stay on your report for up to 2 years. Try to pay off anything you may have in collections and maintain a consistent monthly payment on long-term financing accounts, and try to stabilize your debt-to-income ratio. You can also utilize websites like creditkarma.com to take a peek and get a generalized idea as to where your credit score might be. Credit Karma doesn't create a hard hit on your credit, so it is a user-friendly site. Until next time, did you know bottled water expiration dates are not for the water? They're for the bottle.
We hope that you're enjoying these videos as much as we are. If you are, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Is there a topic that you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments down below. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss an episode.